G'day, today's mission is to actually make the holder for the drills and my impact drill, as well as I'm going to make on the same thing, make the wee holder for my small nail gun. But my first mission is we'll actually put up the cleat, and I've actually found a bit of board here to use. So I want to make the cleats roughly all the same size, and if I measure that, 60 millimeters. Let's go and make something. So the first bit I'm going to do is cut the 45 chamfer, and then I'll trim it down to the 60 millimeters. That way I know I'm actually going to get it roughly the same. Move it over. So I'm just going to pre-drill my holes. Now I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm going to eyeball this as well. So I'm wanting it about here. So this is my thought process going on at the moment. I don't know how many I'm going to put in here. How many of those are going to be in there. There might be like, so I can expand. And I've already done some measurements, so the overall length is going to be about 450. The depth is about 210. These are only about, not quite yet. Now I want a wee shelf, a double shelf in there, so that'll go back, and that height I said was going to be 100, and that's where the batteries will go. And this top shelf, that's probably just going to hold more junk. I might not actually need that yet, so I actually haven't decided on that either. Hang on, I think I've mismeasured. Or misthought on something. So here's the biggest battery. I think it's 130, isn't it? I don't want it yet, 130. So that's 130 there. And I think that was the 100. These are only 100 mil. And that there can be maybe even just 50. We'll just say 50. 100, 230, 280. So that's 280 up there. 280 total. I also now have to add in thickness of material. Due to the fact that I don't know what material I actually have, this top part I am not terribly worried about if it has nothing around it and just a bare shelf to put stuff on top. So I think 280 might be right, even if it's got a wee lip on each end just to stop things from dropping off. All I can say is I already know that that's just going to get covered in crap. That's a rough cut list. Very rough. Kind of thinking of the battery chargers going on this here. But I'm looking over here in the height where it's actually going to go. The drills will actually be down here. And by the time I've got the height, there might not be enough room. So dumpster diving. So for the sides, I'm probably going to use that one. Bit of table saw safety. I knew my thumb was not past this groove here, therefore I'm quite happy to push it through without a push stick. If my thumb goes over that, then I start thinking about using a push stick. Right, I already know that I need to trim these down now, because I've cut them the same as the backboard, and I've decided which way of I'm going to assemble it. Right, so I'm just going to transfer those marks that I made. I had to change nail guns because there was a brad stuck and I can't be bothered fixing it just yet. So bring out the big boy. See, that first one there didn't go in properly. Bring over the rest of it. That away. Oh, they need trim just a wee bit more. So yay. So they need to be smaller again. We'll see if these fit. Hopefully they do. Since it was especially for the nail gun, I knew it wasn't going to be the same as the others, so I believe that should work. Right, I've got a couple of stop blocks here, and I've actually changed the height of this. I've changed it, I've lowered it just that little bit more. So they'll just sit in there like that. So I know the bottom one's going to go here, so I can just glue and brad that on. I've got a mark here. Just slide it in there. So there you go. That's actually worked out quite well, better than I thought it was going to. It's going to keep my drills organised anyway. I actually had more batteries than I thought I did, so they don't actually all fit in the bottom shelf down here, which is actually quite good. That means less junk's actually going to get put on it, and it will be just used for the drills. If you have any questions about it, let me know down below in the comments, and we'll see you later. Kia kaha, stay strong, I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.